What's up guys, my name is Paul and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you to do this. Wait for it. You have that sound. Yeah, so this like a typing effect and also a messaging effect that shows you how let's say you're the user, you will receive the message and how you'll send the message. Though this is like a prototype, so I'll show you guys how to do this video. So if you want to know this, just stay till the end of the video. So let me tell you guys what softwares that you're supposed to have. You're supposed to have Adobe XD, Adobe Premiere, not Adobe Premiere, After Effects, and Adobe Media Encoder. So if you all have all these three guys, you're good to proceed. And if you don't, just try to install them and come back, watch this video. So let's jump into this video. So the first thing, you should create your UX. So I'll just run this so that you can see my UX I designed with Adobe XD. So make sure, I'll minimize this, so make sure you group all your elements, all your components together, so that whenever you export it, by just clicking here and go to export, then go to After Effects, bam. So whenever you export it, it will export all the grouped elements together, so that whenever we do this effect that I'm going to show you guys, it will be much easier. So first of all, we're going to start with the typing. We're going to hide all these messages, the user message and my message. So the message on the let's say the right side, that's my message. The message on the left side, that's another user's message. So I'll hide all this message, drag that there so that I can access it easily. So after that, I give it a scale of 0. So I'll go to the typing effect. So in the typing effect, you see we have three lengths of tools. So the first rectangle is to hold the rectangles that shows us typing. So what you do, you just click on that rectangle, come here, go and click on go on contest, then go and fill, then you click on that. So as you can see, I'm giving it a, let's say I'm giving it a time frame of what the when the animation should occur. So I first give it the default, then I drag it like, let's say 1 second, then I give it like orange red. So that color is orange red. So I'll do this to the red. So you give it like the default color that you want it to change it from, then you give it the color to change it to. So yeah, so I think I'm done with that. So I'll do it to repeat itself like, let's say twice, so that we can have that amazing effect that you've seen on the preview video that I'll show you guys. So I'll just do it the same. So first of all, you should keep if you're using 1 second, you should use 1 second so that you can get these amazing effects. So you can keep it to be a little bit faster, and also you can keep it to be a little bit slow. So what I'm going to do, so to get these, or to get these like to be able to edit these time frames here, so what you do, you just click on the let's say the rectangle that you want to animate, then click on contents, then click on rectangle fill, then click on fill. Yeah, so that's all. So I've done that to all these, so I'll proceed by doing that to all these here. So what you make sure is your timing is let's say equal, so that you can get that effect that you've seen on the screen. So I'll finish up with all these that I'm showing you guys, so by just clicking that. So first of all, if you wanted to switch from this color to this color, so if it switched from orange red earlier, so you give it like you move these to, let's say, a given second, then give it that default color that it was earlier, then after that move like 1 second, then give it the color that you want it to change to. So let's just play the preview so that you guys can see what I'm trying to talk about. So yeah, as you can see, it's all working as expected. So it's a little bit rendering this slow. I have features running in the background, so yeah, but for you, I know it should work correctly. So I have all that, and this is what I wanted to do. So the next thing is, you make sure you hide your typing box, so that whenever the message at the right side appears that does not make it look like let's say out it's now there, like it's out of scope. So I want it to disappear whenever the message at the right hand side appears. So what you do, you hide it at the way we did the animation of the other typing and blah blah blah. So you just go to the opacity and hide all that. So the next thing, I'm going to look for my message that should appear on the let's say on the left side, the left hand side. So I'll just look for it and give it like an opacity of 0 to 1. So yeah, so that's our message. Okay, that's not our message. So I think, let me just go through. So guys, you should have this habit to just name your message in your computer so that you cannot have this difficulty that I'm having. So as you can see, I've got what I wanted. So I'll just click on this it's like a time or time lapse watch. So I'll just click on that so that we can mark the beginning of our effect that we want our animation to start. So I'll just move that around to see where it's really good to get it all work. So okay, that's now good. So I'll have to move it a little bit closer so that I can have that wow effect that I want. So we want it to pop up real quick, so I'll just come here and 100. Okay, that's not the best place to put it. I want it to be at the front, not at the back. So the first blue marks where the animation begins, and the second marks where the animation ends. So after moving that, I'll come here, give it like an opacity of 100 so that we can have a message appearing when we play these preview. So the next thing, I'm going to locate where my second message is that should appear on my right hand side, then give it the same effect that I've given these one, but this time I'll give it like different time, like let's say, yeah. So I'll push it further so that I can have that effect that I used so in the beginning. So guys, so what I'll click on that so that we can mark where our animation starts and move it like a little bit. Close that, move it like a little bit, then we give it like 100. Yeah. So guys, we completed successfully. So what I'll just try to preview so that you guys can see what we have here. So let's play. Okay, I told you guys it's rendering slow, so just bear with me. So I just want you guys to see what's happening. So as you can see that playing that sound, yeah. Okay, so I want to add the sound, which is the WhatsApp sound that I downloaded. So guys, if you I'll leave the link at the description where I uploaded it to. So yeah, so just move it to your project. Make sure you move it at the top because that's where you can access it with ease and move it around and know where you want it to play. You want to place it. So let me just release it there like that. Then locate it where it is. Then move it. As you can see, it's at the top, so it's easy to move it around. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag that so that we can hear the sound that I want you to hear. Exactly. So it's the message, the sound. Okay, whenever the message appears, the sound is being played, so that's really good effect. So we export that to Adobe Media Encoder. So if you don't have that installed, please guys install so that you can have your MP4. So let's see how it's in rendering our video. So Adobe MP4, just convert your video to MP4 because yeah, you can do that with After Effects. Okay, it's almost done. So guys, I want you guys to just support me by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and commenting. Leave a comment below. So let me just locate where it is. So as you can see, it's there, so I'll just play that. So guys, let's see what happens. All right, and there. So guys, that's all for this video, and if you guys have any questions, just comment below. And also, if you want to see this video, how to create these message user interface using Adobe XD, just comment below and I will do the video and upload it on Friday. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in the next video. Support me on Patreon, follow me on Instagram, WebAppCode. Also subscribe to my channel. That's the most important thing that you guys should do. Support me. Thank you guys. Peace.